Ah, come on. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, I suck. I sent it.
Hi, on today's video, I'm going to take this F1 wheel on the track I seem to foul at the most. Let's give it a crack.
4, 3, 2, 1, go. 30, 6 right of a crest long, tightens 4.
This is it, I can feel it, I can feel it, I can feel it.
5 right, opens long, 30. 4 left long, opens 30, 4 left. And 5 left, extra long of a crest, tightens turn, 3 left. Opens, and 6 left. Into 5 right.
Oh, we're holding 30, a little bit more.
6
Alright.
left long, 30, 4 right long.
Let's
Opens 30.
go a little bit slow.
Opens 50.
So I ain't gonna be setting any PBs in this car, but also, you know, when you're in a Subaru,
Tightens 4, 80.
when in doubt, go flat out, which doesn't actually work. But you know,
To long crest.
give it a red hot crack.
Into 6 right, extra long. Into 6 left, opens of a crest jump, 180. 6 right of a crest, jump, 120. Keep middle of a crest,
Here we
jump,
go, here we
50.
go.
4 left of a crest, extra long.
Let's
tightens
turn.
Of a crest. 6 right of a crest long, 120.
That was tight.
Through narrow gate, and turn 1 right. Opens through narrow gate, and turn
Oh, I just missed that gate.
200. 4 right, extra long. Opens 80. 3 left long. 100.
Bit tight, yep.
6 right, 120. 4 left
Alright,
long.
is this the run? Is this it?
100.
I've still got 2 hairpins at the end, which I'm a bit worried about because I suck at them. But
120.
I think this could be the run.
Keep left into don't cut. 4 right.
I sent it.
6 right long. 50. 5 left long. Don't cut. Slow 30. 6 right into turn unseen. Hairpin left. Opens 6 long.
Look, I'm not gonna lie,
50.
I stuffed that up, but
6 left. Opens.
look, to be honest, I didn't think I was gonna get this close to my PB on this
Caution,
race.
slow, don't cut. 6 left long.
Top,
30.
almost top
Turn
1,000, I
unseen,
think.
hairpin right.
I am. Fuck me. God. I jinxed myself. Alright, well, we're on the last corner. I think that's enough torture for one day. I wouldn't mind switching back to my normal wheel.
Into 4 left of a crest jump. 100 of a crest. Finish into 4 left long. 50 to stop.
Thank you all for watching. Yeah, good almost 20 seconds off my PB. Did alright, caught up towards the end. That was painful to play with that. Not the worst, I'd expected it to be worse, but I think next time I might just have to give it a crack at drifting. Thank you for watching.